A customer came to me with a question. We use bookmarks for our projects and I want to quickly find which bookmark a particular physical product is in. And from there I want to go to that bookmark to see what other files that are there belonging to the same project. Is that possible and how do I do that? It is possible, and if you watch this I will show you how. I have made other videos for using the search field on top of your 3DEXPERIENCE dashboard earlier, and my colleagues has made a couple of videos as well about bookmarks in general, so go and check those out if you want. So can we use the same search field for this particular search scenario? You can, but if you go to the information panel for a physical product, go to the Relations tab and see if the file is bookmarked. From there you will see the bookmark. What happens, however, if you choose to open the bookmark in the bookmark editor from there, it will open the bookmark editor as an app and not in the same widget as you were just in. So this is not what we want in this case. Because we want information related to a bookmark, there is a specific way to do that. We can search inside the widget itself. So to do this, I will use a Bookmark Edit Widget, and there is under settings up here you can see that there is a possibility to search in a widget. So from here you can search the Bookmark Edit Widget. Before you do that, make sure to stay on the top bookmark like this, the top item, because then it will search for all the content underneath that item. Search for our product, and then we can get a hit. So in this case it's a core that is inside a pen, a writing pen, and to find the parent bookmark I can right click on the item. I can go to the project bookmark like this, and from here I can see that this is a project bookmark and the component is a part inside an assembly that you can see here. So this is another example of the different ways to search for and find your content, whether it is 3D models, documents, or items like tasks, changes and issues. The platform offers several ways to search for content, and you don't have to be familiar with all of them. But it is good to know that if you've got a specific search need, there probably is a search method that you can use for that. So what about you? What is your favorite way of searching? Let us know in the comments. That's all for now. Have a nice day.